Good morning, Beardsley Bears. I hope you are all doing well. We are so excited to see you again. You're probably wondering, what is Miss Romero wearing? Well, if you remember, today's our Spirit Days. So both Miss Mata and I wanted to make sure we represented every single class. You'll see our picture soon for the full effect. But as a reminder, pre-K and kinder and preschool, TK and kinder were purple. First grade is yellow. Second grade is orange. I have it on my socks. Third grade is light blue. Fourth grade green. Fifth grade red. Sixth grade royal blue. Seventh grade pink, and eighth grade black. So we wanted to make sure we represented every color today. And without further ado, I can't wait to see all your pictures that you send in. But without further ado, let's go ahead and move on to our flag salute. So boys and girls, if you can stand, please. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Y ahora lo vamos a hacer en español. Yo prometo lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios, entera con libertad y justicia para todos.
All right, and thank you, Ms. Torres, and I hope you all stayed standing. I forgot to tell you that. So we're super excited today. It is Spirit Day. You made it through another week. I can't believe how well all of you are doing. Your teachers have been telling me and sharing with me and bragging about how well you guys are doing. Those of you, some of you are logging on every day, sharing comments, doing your work. I know many of your parents picked up packets, but I also know many of you don't need them because you are able to access everything online. So we want to be sure to keep everything going and keeping you engaged and excited. And that is why we have special news for next week. As a reminder, which I'll remind you at the end of our assembly, there is no school on Mondays. So remember, Monday is a day off, no work. You get to relax. Your teachers get to relax. You might want to sleep in, but just remember, we'll be back at it Tuesday. And I have someone here to share some exciting news. And guess who that is? Yeah, you're right. Here we go. Say it with me. Da, 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 Miss Mata.
Hi, everybody. Yes, we have some exciting news to share. We are loving seeing all the participation online for our Spirit Days, and we're looking forward to seeing your pictures representing your class colors for today. But we have something that we are organizing for next week, which is our next Spirit Week. And next week is all about expressing how thankful we are. We're calling it our Beardsley Shout Out Week. So every day we have come up with a different group of people that you are going to give a shout out to. So you can create a short video saying who you are thankful for, a shout out to that person. Or you can create a picture or a sign and take a picture of yourself holding that sign. Again, you will send it to direct message to our Beardsley Academy Instagram page, and we will make sure that they are posted every day. So I just want to go over what they are real quick. Don't worry about remembering them because there will be a flyer on all of our social media pages. So that way you'll know exactly what to do and who to give a shout out to every day. So like Ms. Romero said, we do not have school on Monday, so there's no activities for that day. But on Tuesday, we're calling it Teacher Tuesday. So your teachers have been working super hard, just like you are. They're busy organizing, answering parent emails, making plans, all kinds of things for you guys. So we want you guys to give out a special shout out to your teacher. If you're in middle school, you have many teachers to give shout outs to. If you want to just make a special quick message or a sign, shout out to your teacher because they are going to love seeing all of the love given to them on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we're calling it Work Helper Wednesday. You have somebody, or maybe it's multiple people at home that are helping you every day get organized to complete all of your assignments that your teachers are sending you. So we want you to give a shout out to them. Maybe it's one person, maybe it's many people, but you get creative and come up with a special way to shout out to whoever is helping you stay organized and on top of all the work that you are doing at home. On Thursday, we're calling it Thankful Thursday. This is a day that you can just decide, pick somebody. It doesn't have to be anybody from school. It could be a friend. It could be a relative. It could be anybody at all. Who are you thankful for? Create a short video, make a sign, post those pictures. We want to see all those people that you are thankful for. And then on Friday, we can't leave out our friends. We're calling it Friend Friday. We know that we have not been able to spend time together as a big group, and we're trying our best to do it through virtual things like this. But this is your time that you can shout out to a friend. Maybe there's somebody that you are really missing that was in your class this year that you really want to shout out a special message to, just letting them know that you are thinking about them and you're missing them. So think of that friend. Maybe it's two friends. Make a little sign. Say what you want to say to both of those people, or create that video. So we are super excited about this week, and we can't wait to see all the shout outs to all the different people. And just keep up that energy, guys. We love seeing your photos. So, and we want to see those pictures of your class colors today. That's it.
All right, thank you, Ms. Mata. And as Ms. Mata shared, it is going to be a very exciting week. We want to make sure all messages are positive because we're still focusing on our PBIS, our positive behavior intervention and supports. So don't forget, any message you post, we will be checking, and we want them all to be positive. But we welcome you to send those in next week. You'll have Monday to prepare all your signs if you want to do a fun activity, because remember, there's no school. So with all that said, we want you to know that we really, really want you to make sure you're staying safe. You're wearing a mask when you go out, as it's been shared. Thank you to a very special parent who provided this to me. I make sure I wear them all the time. And then also make sure you continue to wash your hands and sanitize. The quicker we fight this together, the quicker we'll see each other. So let's make sure we think about everybody who is working through some of the illness, but also remember, it will be okay. We will be back together, and we can't wait for that day. But in the meantime, we will be sending you our weekly messages, and we're super excited to have you send in your special messages next week. So without further ado, guess what time it is? Yes, it is. It's time for our chant. So everybody stand up. Oh, and we're going to reach for the sky, and we're going to touch our toes. And let's roll our shoulders back and roll them forward. And roll your head. But remember, let's say it together. Don't roll it so it falls up and the other way. And I'm sure your parents thought we were just a little crazy because of our normal Friday morning assembly, but we can't do it without this part. Are you ready? And 1, 2, 3. Good job. And one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it looks like we're ready. And we're going to say our chant. I see that Miss Mata's ready. And here we go. We're going to say it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I can and I will have pride in myself and my school. I can and I will have a positive attitude. I can and I will make wise choices. I can and I will act safely. I can and I will I can and I will. I can and I will. All right, boys and girls, great job this week. Make it a great day because you're right. The choice is yours. And remember to listen to those who are helping you. And we look forward to Wednesday so that you could give your worker helpers a shout out on Wednesday. And don't forget your teachers. They have been working extremely hard. We have an amazing team at Beardsley, and we are so lucky to have you part of that team. So take care, and we'll see you next week.
Love you guys.